How do wildfire communication networks work? Have you ever wondered how firefighters stay connected during a wildfire? In the chaos of a natural disaster, communication can be the difference between safety and danger. Wildfire communication networks are designed to keep everyone in touch, even in the most challenging environments. These networks are specialized systems that ensure real-time communication among firefighters, emergency responders, and command centers. They are especially important in remote or rugged areas where traditional networks often fail. The goal is to maintain coordination, situational awareness, and timely decision-making, all of which are vital for effective wildfire containment. At the heart of these networks are ad hoc networks. These are temporary systems that can be set up on-site without needing existing infrastructure. Firefighters use portable devices, such as two-way radios and multi-mode terminals, to connect to these networks. This allows them to send voice, video, and data directly from the fire front to command centers. To extend coverage, portable repeaters and relay stations are placed at high points. This helps to overcome obstacles like mountains and dense forests. Drones equipped with relay devices can also expand the network reach, ensuring that communication remains intact. For communication beyond the immediate area of the wildfire, data from the ad hoc network is sent via satellite links or cellular networks. This layered approach guarantees a continuous flow of critical information, such as fire behavior data, weather updates, and resource status. This information supports strategic firefighting decisions. Advanced wildfire communication systems also include artificial intelligence-powered early detection technologies. These systems can quickly identify fires within minutes of ignition. They use networks of sensors placed throughout vulnerable areas, creating a mesh network that communicates fire data instantly to responders. This early warning capability helps to prevent fires from growing out of control. Additionally, specialized software and hardware solutions have been developed to tackle challenges like limited network coverage in wildfire zones. These systems use portable hardware components, such as small computers and antennas, to enable resilient data sharing and file transfers. This ensures that large datasets can be accessed and shared effectively during operations. Community-based networks are also important for wildfire communication. Local residents and organizations establish emergency communication networks using radios that operate on dedicated frequencies. These networks are supported by repeaters to boost range and clarity. They are essential when conventional cellular service is unavailable, allowing local coordination during wildfire events. In summary, wildfire communication networks combine portable ad hoc radio systems, relay stations, drones, satellite and cellular links, artificial intelligence-driven detection sensors, and community radio networks. This multi-layered approach addresses the unique challenges posed by wildfires, ensuring that communication remains strong and effective. This is vital for protecting lives, property, and the environment during these natural disasters.